my understanding is that you were at home in the middle of the night and the daughter was sick. Is that correct?
Yes, my youngest daughter had the stomach flu.
And you or Katie received a phone call?
Yes, Katie received a phone call.
What did you do after that?
We literally ran out of the house, left the doors open, jumped in the car, and drove over, honestly, as quick as we could.
When you got to the house, what happened?
When we got to the house, Katie went in. I stayed outside for a little while, just because I had my daughters with me. I have two young daughters, but and then after that point, we ended up going into the home.
When you first entered the home, did you see anything unusual?
My number one priority was taking care of the kids, my two daughters as well as the boys. So I noticed some hand movements that Kouri was making, which seemed to me unusual. But
had you ever seen those?
No, simply like that. It didn't seem to me to be an unconscious tremor, but it just seemed almost like just an intentional movement.
Once you were in the house, where did you go next?
I went up the steps up to the bonus room that Eric had.
Okay. Who was up there?
It was Carter, Ashton, Weston, and then my two daughters.
Okay. Did other adults come in and go out during
They
the morning?
They did.
At some point, were you aware that medical personnel and transportation personnel were moving Eric's body from the house to their truck?
We could hear that.
Okay. So what was happening at that moment?
So that basically those 4 hours, I was up with the kids. We were watching movies, playing games, doing things like that, trying to keep them occupied. Then we could hear the medical personnel leaving the home. I tried to stop the kids from going to the window, but I mean, given 5 kids up in that room, I mean, it was almost impossible. But
is your daughter still ill at this time?
She is. Yeah, she was vomiting on the floor. But yeah, so I stopped the kids from going to the window. They went to the window, and I think that was when they first saw their dad being wheeled out of the home and knew that he had passed.
Okay, you said they.
Yeah.
Can you just use names to make sure we understand who it is you're talking about?
I apologize. Yep.
No, you don't have to apologize.
So that was Carter and Ashton.
Okay.
Two names.
All right. And so, what did you see?
So they saw Eric being wheeled out and put into the ambulance.
Did Carter say anything or do anything?
Carter's response was,
why don't we focus on do first?
Yes. Did Carter do something or not?
His response was somewhat just level-headed. He knew at that point his dad was gone.
Okay. How about Ashton's response?
His response was totally different. He just broke down, and he was extremely upset.
Okay. When